When we talk about building wealth, most people picture fancy cars, sprawling mansions, or a life filled with luxury. These images are everywhere, on social media, in movies, and in our dreams. But is that really all there is to wealth? True wealth goes much deeper. It's about creating a legacy that supports your family for generations to come, giving them a foundation to build on, and a sense of security that lasts beyond your own lifetime. Generational wealth means your children and grandchildren have opportunities you never did, like pursuing higher education without the burden of debt or having the freedom to start a business and follow their dreams. It's about opening doors that were once closed. It's a safety net that lets your family build on your success, not start from scratch every time. It means each generation can reach higher, standing on the shoulders of those who came before. For centuries, families built this kind of wealth through real estate, stocks, or family businesses, assets that could be passed down and grown over time. But today, we're witnessing a shift. A new asset is changing the game: Bitcoin. It's opening up possibilities that didn't exist before. Bitcoin operates outside traditional financial systems, offering a unique chance for anyone, no matter where they start, to build a lasting legacy and take control of their financial future. Yes, it's new and comes with its own risks, but the potential rewards are too significant to ignore. It's an opportunity to be part of something revolutionary. The key is learning how Bitcoin works, understanding its potential, and using it responsibly to secure your family's future for years to come. So, let's break down what Bitcoin really is, how it works, and why it could become the cornerstone of your family's financial legacy, helping you build more than just money. Let's keep it simple. Bitcoin is digital money, but it's much more than just numbers on a screen. It's a new kind of currency that exists only online, with no physical coins or bills to hold in your hand. Think of it like a virtual version of gold, rare, valuable, and recognized around the world for its worth. You can't touch it, but you can send it instantly to anyone, anywhere, without needing a bank or middleman. All you need is an internet connection and a digital wallet. Created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's main idea is decentralization. No single government, company, or bank controls it. It runs on blockchain technology, which is like a public digital ledger that records every transaction. Once a transaction is added, it can't be changed or erased. This makes Bitcoin both transparent and secure, since everyone can see the records, but no one can tamper with them. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. No more can ever be created, no matter what. Unlike dollars or other traditional currencies, which can be printed endlessly by governments, Bitcoin's fixed supply protects it from inflation and devaluation. Its value comes from its scarcity, its strong security, and the growing global demand from people who want to use or invest in it. As more people, businesses, and even large institutions adopt Bitcoin, the demand for it could keep rising, potentially increasing its value over time. That's why many see Bitcoin as a powerful tool for building generational wealth and securing a financial future for themselves and their families. So how does Bitcoin fit into your family's wealth plan? Unlike real estate or stocks, Bitcoin isn't tied to any one country or economy. It's a global, decentralized asset, an extra pillar of security for your family. With only 21 million Bitcoins and billions of people owning even a small amount could be significant in the future. Start small, buy a little each month. This is called dollar cost averaging. Over decades, these small investments can add up, especially if Bitcoin's value grows. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about steady, patient accumulation for your family's future. By holding Bitcoin, you're giving your family a stake in the digital economy of tomorrow. Buying Bitcoin is simpler than ever. Choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, create an account, and verify your identity. Link your bank account or debit card, and you're ready to buy. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. Start with as little as $20. Most exchanges let you set up automatic recurring purchases. This dollar cost averaging strategy helps you build your Bitcoin holdings over time without stress. Don't worry about timing the market, just invest consistently. Each small purchase adds up, building your family's legacy bit by bit. If you can use a banking app, you can own Bitcoin. It's that easy to start building generational wealth. Let's be real. Bitcoin has risks. Its price can swing wildly, sometimes dropping 20% in a week. But if you're thinking long-term, these ups and downs matter less. Regulation is another risk. Governments may change the rules, but Bitcoin's global nature makes it hard to shut down. Technology risks exist, but the network has proven resilient for over 15 years. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The reward? Asymmetric upside. Your loss is limited, but your potential gain is huge. With fixed supply and growing adoption, even a small investment could have a big impact. For building a lasting legacy, a calculated risk in Bitcoin could pay off for generations. Understand the risks, but don't ignore the opportunity. Security is everything if you want your Bitcoin to last for generations. Protecting your digital assets isn't just about today, it's about ensuring your wealth stands the test of time, so your family and future generations can benefit from your foresight. Don't leave your Bitcoin on an exchange. Move it to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Exchanges can be hacked or go out of business and you could lose everything. Taking control of your Bitcoin means taking responsibility for its safety. Hardware wallets store your Bitcoin offline, safe from hackers and online threats. They're designed to keep your private keys secure, even if your computer is compromised. When you set up your wallet, you'll get a recovery phrase, "Protect it like gold." This phrase is the only way to recover your Bitcoin if your device is lost or damaged. Write it down, store it in a safe place, and never share it online. Consider using a fireproof safe or a secure deposit box to keep it out of harm's way. Create clear instructions for your heirs so they can access your Bitcoin when the time comes. Make sure your directions are easy to understand, even for someone who isn't tech-savvy. Don't put the recovery phrase in your will. Keep it private, but make sure your family knows how to find it. A trusted family member or legal advisor can help ensure your wishes are followed. With the right precautions, your Bitcoin can become a true family legacy, passed down just like any treasured heirloom. Secure it well, and your wealth can last for generations, giving your loved ones a foundation for the future.